Okay, now that you've joined Your 8 Steps, one of the first things we want you to do is to whitelist us in your email providers so that you get all the important updates that we do send out. You do not want to miss these, so make sure in your profile, and you can go to the profile from the tab here at the top, and once you go to the profile, you're going to see where you can put your information. Some of this will already be in here after you've joined. And I just want you to make sure that you use a good email address. Preferably your PayPal email address as your email address for your profile. And make sure you also fill out your PayPal email address, because otherwise you will not get paid. That is how we pay everyone. The reason I'm suggesting using your PayPal email address is because when we send something out, if you don't get it, it could cost you commissions and cost you referrals, because we have what's called Downline Integrity, meaning we do not send out emails to your downline with our links in it, meaning me or Brenda's. We only send emails that promote the system and for your downline to log in and join a program underneath you in one of the downline builders. Okay? So when we add a different program to one of the downline builders or change something, we send out an email that says, hey guys, you need to log into your 8 steps because we just changed XYZ program in this downline builder. You need to log in, join the program, and put your referral ID in the downline builder. So if you don't get that message we send out and you have referrals in your 8 steps, when they come here and log in and join that program, they're going to join it underneath your sponsor or whoever did get the email and came and put their ID in place. And, Downline Integrity is a great thing because we help you build your business. We help promote for you, with you. We don't steal your downline. We don't send them none of our own links. You'll never see an email that comes from Your 8 Steps that goes out to anybody that has a link in it that is ours, because we don't do that. And there's not many businesses online that have Downline Integrity. So I want you to realize, number one, how important Downline Integrity will be for you to build your business. It's hard enough online for most people to build an internet business, let alone when you promote a program and your referrals join, and then the owner of that program sends emails constantly with links in it for themselves. You lose out, when they could very easily have Downline Integrity and be promoting to help you build your downline. And that's what we choose to do here. So that's the first thing you need to do, and extremely important to make sure you mark our emails as important. If they come in your spam folder, unlabel them spam, tell your email provider this is not spam by checking it, and star it, make it important. Put us in your address book. And there's instructions here on, this first page. And that's why this is the first thing you should do, because this is very important in the long term for building your business, is for you to be able to receive our messages, number one, so that you can always update any changes we make and that you never miss out on any referrals or commissions. So please follow the instructions here. It'll take you a few minutes to set this up. And then the other thing I want you to do after that is I want you to get in contact with your sponsor. Okay? You can click here. It'll take you to the tab up here, which is the social profile, or you can just click this tab at the top, go to the social profile, and what will happen is you'll see examples. You use the whole link in here, so like Facebook, Twitter, your Skype name, and you put these in place and click update, and that way your referrals can contact you if they want to. And same for you, you can go to that social profile and find out your upline's information so that you can contact them if you need help or anything like that. And the social profile, I want you to just be aware that they're full links, besides the Skype one. The Skype is just your Skype name, but Twitter, Facebook, they're your full links. The other thing that will show up for them is email. And right now we don't have the default set up because this is my account here, so we don't have the defaults. But normally below here where it says your referrer is, email would show up, Skype, Facebook, Twitter, and email pulls it from your profile information. So again, you better have your email in place that's a good one for people to be able to contact you. Otherwise, they're not going to be able to get a hold of you if you use a bad email address or one you never pay attention to. So again, another important reason to make sure you put in a good email address. But that's the second thing you should do. And if there is no information back here, your refer never filled in none of that stuff, then what you can do is on the home page, you can just scroll down to the bottom, and this is how you contact us at support. If you've got questions or need help, we have a Skype group. Make sure to join it. If not, send us your Skype name. Mine is richard.weberg, and you can contact me on Skype, and I will add you to the Skype group if you can't figure out how to add yourself by clicking here. And then, go like our Facebook group. This helps you as well, because remember, your referrals are going to come here and go to the Facebook group and check it out. So, make sure you like it and that you're active there, commenting and liking, and, anything that you really, motivates you, or you see that really is a great post and you want to comment or, share with anybody, make sure to do that, because Facebook can play a big part in helping to build your downline in your 8 steps and the programs within. And then the third thing we want you to do here right away before we get into the steps is setting up a couple good email providers for marketing purposes. And you may have a contact email address now, like your PayPal and your PayPal email address, or an email address that you use for friends and family that you email back and forth in, and you don't really want all these other emails from all these marketing things going into. This is where having a couple good email providers that you can receive quite a bit of mail in, that you can set up like a Gmail. You can set up a second Gmail account if you already have one. And Viral Inbox is another email provider that works in a couple different ways for advertising as well, but it also is a great way to create email inboxes on the fly. I really like Viral Inbox because I can separate all my email without creating folders. I can create the folder automatically. Like if you can see here where it says weberg69.hittohit@easyvid.com, that's an email address in Viral Inbox. Now, my normal email inbox in Viral Inbox is weberg69@easyvid.com. But what you can do is add another name in there, like I use the example here of Hit to Hit, that if you joined a program called Hit to Hit, this is exactly how you would write out the email address by inserting a dot, weberg69 dot, and the program name at easyvid.com. And what that would do is it would create another inbox within Viral Inbox for you. So it would already go into a filter. That would mean every email from that program then would automatically go into that inbox, because that's what it would be subscribed to. So you wouldn't have to go back and set up a filter. The filters, you're basically creating them on the fly. And some of you may not understand that yet, and that's fine. And as you learn more, you'll learn more about Viral Inbox and how to use it and stuff like that. But it is a great email program. You also can do some advertising in it. But we're recommending that you make sure you got a couple email addresses for marketing purposes, and that allow quite a bit of mail. Like Gmail has one of the hugest allowed inboxes or amount of mail you can receive that's out there. So that's why we recommend Gmail. Viral Inbox is also free to join. They have an upgrade, but for right now you don't need to take that upgrade. You just use it as a free member. You can buy advertising in it later and stuff like that. But for right now, we're just giving you two options to get your a couple good email providers set up for marketing purposes. And some of you may already have that because you're an experienced marketer, but a lot of you don't have any experience marketing that are joining your 8 steps, and this is something new to you. So that's why this video here on this page is trying to get you used to a couple things that are very important right off the bat to make sure you have done. And other than that, you can go ahead and click down here at the bottom and click on step 1 and get started. And that will take you into the series of steps above. You can see up here we have path 1 and path 2. And on step 1, we'll explain more about that, because step 1 is for both of these paths, but we've basically created 2 paths for people to follow. In the next video on the next page, we'll walk you through a little bit more about what that's about. Other than that, have a great day, and we will see you on the next video.